That cruel love, body of mine, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body of mine, grinding on my innocence. Yeah, body of mine, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body of mine, grinding on my innocence. Yeah, body of mine, body of mine, body of mine.
Welcome back
to week 13.
No, this is week 14. Week 14.
We just went to the beach.
The weather has not been great. I think it is actually now winter here in Hawaii. I mean, it's still pretty darn good weather for winter. It's like 76, 77. It's sunny most of the time. It can get a little cloudy though. So we just did a quick little beach day. It wasn't anything too exciting. Just went and chilled on the sand, watched the waves. Still better than sitting inside doing homework or watching TV or something. But tomorrow's Thanksgiving. We're gonna make a big old feast and eat some good food. It's so weird when it's this far zoomed in.
I like it.
Okay. Let's go to Thanksgiving. All right. We got Thanksgiving dinner. We got potatoes and gravy, rolls, candied sweet potatoes, rotisserie chicken with gravy, carrots, green beans, brie. Happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you guys tomorrow on Black Friday. Good morning, guys. It is Black Friday. Before we go shopping, we gotta cook some breakfast. So we got some biscuits in our toaster oven, because we don't have a real oven. And then over here, we got bacon and gravy.
Let's go shopping!
Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight.
Loves to spend money. Correction, Bree likes to spend my money. I hate shopping. We're all done shopping.
No, we're not.
TJ Maxx.
Now I gotta get a side purse.
Oh my god.
It's the day of shopping and it's my day.
So we've been shopping for a couple hours now. It's really hot outside and I had to carry all the bags. So we came back to the apartment to take a quick shopping break, and now we're gonna go to some more stores and spend more money. Also, when Bree and I Christmas shop for each other, it basically just involves going to the store with each other and then picking it out.
That has never have been how it is.
And then
Ever.
And then we just buy each other whatever we want. Bree doesn't like surprises, apparently.
White girls. Oh my god. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Bree. We stopped to get some Starbucks because we are thirsty from all of our shopping adventures. So we made a quick pit stop. Now we're back on the grind, going to TJ Maxx.
Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight.
Do we have enough stuff yet? Alright, we're all done shopping. I don't think we got enough stuff, but I would say we capitalized on the Black Friday. Getting gas.
We're going to the North Shore.
Step by step, I'm
on the North Shore at one of our favorite beaches on the whole island. When we come up here, it feels like we're on vacation again. Like down in Waikiki, it just feels like we're at work or school or whatever. It doesn't feel like vacation, but up here, it's pretty nice. So we just got to the beach and we were here for like 2 minutes and this whole pod of dolphins was out there swimming. So I sent the drone out. Those things are too cool.
Those things are too cool. They're so majestic.
This place is just something else. I tell you what.
Just got done out and
Can't tell them the name.
Oh, sorry. We just got done at the beach and now we're gonna go to Haole and go shopping and maybe eat something. We don't know yet, but that's where we're on.
You are my love. All night. How can we see the light if we're both blinded? You are my love. There's only love for you.
There's chickens everywhere. They run around like squirrels.
I like the coconut. We got shaved ice.
I think shaved ice might be one of my favorite parts about Hawaii.
You say everything.
Yeah, it's just all my favorite. Everything here is my favorite. How could it not be? Bree bought herself a new purse, bag thing. Look at it.
It's so cute.
The girl just loves to spend money. What can I say? This was a fun week. We did a lot of relaxing, chilling out, just enjoying the views. We've been around pretty much all of the island, I think, but it's still, I don't think this place could ever get old. It's just too cool here. Too cool.
It's too cool.
It's just amazing.
It's just too cool.
It's just too cool.
It's just so sick.
It's too sick.
Awesome.
Okay. Thanks for watching this week. We'll see you guys next time on the Haole vlog.
Bye.